Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can apply for an American Express Platinum credit card online. In order to apply for it online, first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Open up any web browser of your choice to that. After you open up your web browser, on the web address bar, type in the link that is www.americanexpress.com/us/credit card/platinum. Find the link on my description box below. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on this page, go through all of the information regarding the credit card. You can go to the features and then the reward and all that information about the credit card. So once you've gone through it, click on the apply now button underneath. Now you'll be taken to the application portal page. On this interface, before you get started first of all, go through all of these statements, set this, and only then begin with the enrollment process. As you can see, you'll have to go through one of the 3 steps in order to apply for the credit card. First of all, provide info, which include entering your personal details such as this, mobile number, your personal information such as contact info, your first name, last name, your age, and all that information. Once you're done with this procedure, move on to the step number 2, where you need to submit the application. On the step number 2, you need to review all of the information that you've provided and click on the submit button. On step number 3, you'll get your decision as soon as possible. If not, then you'll have to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours. After that, you'll be receiving a decision. After that, you'll be receiving a card through a mail. So all you have to do is wait patiently and accept for the credit card. So in this way, you can apply for the Platinum credit card of American Express. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.